Let's make banana bread. Banana bread are one of my favorites, and that's because it reminds me of all the beautiful goodness you can actually get from fruits. For this recipe, I use 5 small bananas, and you can see me just fluffing the bananas using my fork. So I'm just fluffing this till I mashed it up to get a semi-smooth consistency. I would also advise, if you're not allergic to overripe bananas, you can use them. But for me, I'm allergic to them, so that's why I'm using just normal ripe bananas. And because I have a sweet tooth, I'll be adding some sugar, which also has a pinch of cinnamon. Do not worry, I'll be leaving the original and comprehensive list of all the ingredients I used in this recipe in the description box. Next, I add my 1 whole egg and melted butter. Please note that you should whisk this till you get a stretchy consistency before going in with your milk. Whisk this to perfection before adding your dry ingredients. Please, if you're yet to like this video, I don't really know what you're waiting for. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section, do you like banana bread? For those who don't eat refined sugar, do not worry, I will be recreating this recipe again, but this time without sugar. So kindly wait for that recipe. I'm adding some raisins to this. That's because I just love the sweetness raisins gives to my banana bread. So I'm mixing all the ingredients together, and at this particular point I want to note that do not overwork your batter. Okay, so just mix this gently before transferring it to your bread pan. And I'm using my cake pan today after light greasing them with some melted butter, and I bake this in my oven under low heat. Why? Because I want both the upper part and the lower part of the banana bread to bake perfectly. Moist, soft, spongy, and delicious end result. Yes, this is what you get when you follow this recipe word for word, measurement for measurement. Here you can see how this bread gently and gloriously fell off the pan. Yes, this is one of the benefits of always greasing your pan, okay? Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.